If being a pop artist has always been your dream, or you want to convert your bedroom into a studio, then you might want to have these guests. So as you might have guessed by this time, today we are going to review Scarlett Solo Studio Bundle Set. So now let's get started. After unboxing it, we found 3 pieces of tech. There were these closed back quality headphones that looked and felt like they belonged to a recording studio. Then there was this large diaphragm condenser microphone. And finally, the coolest item, Scarlett Solo interface that hooks right up to your computer. Along with all of these are all of the cables and softwares you need to set up your in-home studio. Now let's focus on a large diaphragm condenser microphone. The CM25 Mark II is well built and has got a good weight to it. It feels premium and is aesthetically well built. The black color with the red accent definitely complements your setup. It comes with 3 meter red XLR cable which feels of good quality and a mic stand adapter with it. The frequency response of the mic is between 20 Hz to 20 kHz and the gain range is between 10 dB to 55 dB. It is a cardioid type of condenser microphone, that is, it has approximately uniform response over 180 degree in the front and minimum response in the back. Now let's get to the big boy. Starting with the ergonomics of the audio interface, it has a very minimalistic design and demands very less space on the table, but it doesn't compromise in its specs. It also has the red and black accent and feels premium. On the front panel, you have 2 inputs, of which one is XLR input and other is an instrument or a line input. It has manual control of gain for both the inputs and has dedicated knobs for it. The knobs are surrounded by halos, which indicate gain level even before recording so that you don't clip. You can listen to yourself in real time via the dedicated 6.5mm audio jack and can also control the volume of the monitors via knob. On the rear panel, we have got 2 balanced monitor outputs, that is 1/4 inch TRS jack, USB 2.0 port which sends all your data to your computer and even powers the whole setup with just an USB bus. Now towards the last, we have the Scarlett Studio HP60 headphones. We have got closed back quality headphones. The output is not up to the level of professionals, but it definitely fulfills your need in your home studio. It has also got the replicant color variation as on the other 2. It has a mini jack to 1/4 inch jack adapter which is included in the box. There is a direct link to the product and even some mic stand and pop filter which is recommended by us, which will help you to build your studio. So if you guys have made your mind, go check out the link given in the description box below. Making this video required a lot of time and effort. So if you do appreciate it, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And for more tech videos, stay tuned to our channel Techie Viki.